Hello guys, here is Nicole from ABXLED. So today I'd like to guide you to visit our company and our production line. So here is the reception of our office. Now let's go inside to see what my colleagues are doing. This is our sales department, and now they're all busy following up the projects with different clients. Take a look of the whole office. That is our design department, and here is the finance department. Look, he is our manager, David. So it's all about our office, and next we are going to visit our production line. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi, we're in the SMT workshop right now. Please follow me inside. And all of these are Samsung high-speed SMT equipment. As we all know that there are two sides of the PCB board. One is the LED lamp side and the other is the IC side. Technically, the first step is to do the IC side. This is the printing machine which prints solder paste on the board. And then the board will go into the SMT machine to finish components mounting. Okay, it's done. And at last, the board will pass through the reflow soldering machine to complete the solidification of components and the solder paste. Okay, the IC side is finished. Okay. Hi, it's time to do the LED lamp side. Please follow me to take a look of the ovens. Their temperature is around 60 degrees. Usually, in order to dry the lamp beads and ensure a long lifespan, they will stay in the ovens for 8 hours before we use them. I'm standing by the print machine for small pix pitch. Well, how can you tell the differences? Because there is an automatic testing machine next to it, which is to test whether the proper amount of solder paste is printed on each board. And if there is any unqualified board, the testing machine will give an alarm so we can fix the board at once. And the qualified board will pass through the SMT machine to finish lamp assembling. And then they will pass through the reflow soldering machine again. These are our technicians, and their job is to do the first test for each PCB board out of the machine. See, they're doing the test right now. And if there is any broken lamps, they will fix it right there. There is one more essential step to do. Please follow me. For all of the PCB board, they need to pass through the coating machine. This is a coating machine. The coating machine sprays conformal coating on the board. This is for anti-aging, dust-proof, damp-proof, and so on. Look, this is how the machine works. When it comes to the outdoor LED display, the PCB board should come to the glue area before assembling so that it can reach the outdoor waterproof level IP65. And after this, the assembling process will be completed. Finally, we get our LED module, and And for all of the modules, they will be on aging test for 48 hours in this aging room. And now, as you can see, this is our aging daily report. And if there is anything wrong, we will fix it at once.
Hi, now we're in the assembling and aging workshop for the whole LED display. Please follow me. So now we're in the assembling and aging workshop of the whole screen. These are our engineers, and next we're going to see the aging part. Generally, the aging test will last for 48 to 72 hours. So this screen is just a setup for the aging test. And now please follow me to see this screen is on the aging test. This is the screen on the aging test, and if it works well, we will pack it and it will be shipped out to the client. So this is our factory tour today. Thanks for your time. See you next time.